Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to block phone calls on iPhone. There are two ways to do it. Please watch this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Give likes. The first way is I go to our phone book. Then select a contact. And here we can individually any user, just take and block. And then we click on the search bar and we search for the person. Let's say I found this one. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on block this caller. It says block. Click block contact. This way we've blocked only one user. If you want to block phone calls from unknown users that you receive on your phone, you go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, find the phone tab. Here we open silence unknown callers. And then I need to activate it. Now, when we receive some unknown calls, we will just receive sums. It will say that you have received a call from a certain number. Also, do not worry all the calls that you have. Friends that are written in your contacts. You will be able to communicate with them, you will be quietly call, and there will be no messages. We've been able to block phone calls from unknown users. If you liked and found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.